slept the whole ride. The only thing is, I need to crack my back. But other than that, we out here. The weather is beautiful. It's sunny. Just stored my luggages at Stowaway Luggage Department.
Siciliana.
Grazie. So in Sicily, a popular food that they have for breakfast is granita, which is basically Italian ice. I got a lemon flavor. I just tried their almond one. It's really good, but I wanted something like refreshing and like citrusy. And then it comes with a side of brioche right here. So you take, oh, it's really hot. I can't. Stop. I don't know if you eat it like this. Also, I'm eating at Bar Ventimiglia. Manual driver. I'm just updating her on my Italian. Do you vlog on the dates? I need to go to the beach. I need some sun.
Yeah, it feels so gloomy a bit.
It's been gloomy, girl.
There has been no sun.
Okay, it kind of peeped yesterday. Kind of peeped a little today too.
Yeah, I saw a little bit and then it went away.
For a moment. My chin is so dry, it's peeling. She woke up from her nap. She's refreshed. We're going to eat dinner, get some aperitivo, get some Aperol Spritz. Hello. We're in front of... I will get back to you on that. Not me smiling. Scusi?
Melanzana?
Ciao, we're walking around. Hello. Ciao. Ciao, walking around. Grazie.
Oh.
Ciao, we're walking around. Grazie.
It's so good. I'm giving you a piece. I'm getting pieces.
I love eggplant. Hot. We woke up really late. We were supposed to leave at 8. It's 11. We're on our way to go to Trapani. We're trying to get out of the city. We're trying to go to the beach.
We're gonna have a good day.
It's pouring. The old man is snoring.
Maybe I should do the right thing.
quite gloomy, but the sun will come out. I just know it, okay? Oh my gosh, there's a cat. It just came out of nowhere. Oh my god. Look at me just filming them. Oh my god. Ew. Zoomed in. Can you explain what just happened to us?
We got a parking ticket, but we have an Italian man helping us out.
Yeah. Bakit kilig ka, ha? We just finished doing local things. Wow.
Okay, it's good. Quali Marco? Buongiorno. Paolo, è tutto speccato.
I speak in the Sicilian word.
Cos'è che dice? Il partito?
Sì, è speccato, Joe.
O no? C'era la norma. No, tanto non ci metto più niente. Sicuro?
Like Chanel number 5. It's the type of zucchini or pumpkin as well.
Do you like this one? Never? Never tried?
Never tried it.
It's potato. Yeah. This is sfincione. Out the fear, Michael. Yeah. Buonissimo.
Piccella.
Noi.
A noi siamo.
Facendo il video.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
This is my friend. My friend. Little secret. When you're hitting panel, squeeze lemon.
Ciao.
See. Street food for breakfast, and now we're gonna cook some pasta alla norma. Back.
Do you like ricotta?
Yes.
Okay. It made cassatella. Inside there is ricotta, sugar, and lemon zest. Don't worry, because pressure. Enjoy.
It's just fine. It's just like,
This night
I don't know, it's really dry. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think I'm putting fat in.
This way. I want the big cubes. Chef, same. Never. Because lose the flavor.
Oh.
The hand must be like a spider. These fingers touch the food. I want only this finger, the middle finger, okay, here. Please don't do this. Yeah. But this, okay? Start the point knife this way, down. I can't cut no look. Yes, long. Perfetto. This bubble?
Oh.
The oil is ready.
At what time is it considered okay to drink? Start drinking?
Long time ago. Do you want to drink wine? Okay. Help me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, follow me.
Wow. What is that?
And we
Green for your glasses.
That is so smart.
Okay.
Say cheers, salute.
Salute. Yes.
Salute. Salute.
Wait. Yeah, salute.
Salute.
Okay, in your country, salute. Cheers. Salty. Cheers.
Cheers.
Prost. Prost. This way you can see the white is bitter. This is perfect. This is perfect. More. You are in Sicily.
Oh, Sicily.
This recipe is called sarde a beccafico.
People don't think about it.
Okay.
She got it down. She knows now.
Patient. Yeah, that's the technique.
How's the frying?
It's getting there. Golden brown.
Golden.
In Rome, we see people do.
Ma fa culo, fa culo. Esatto.
Yeah.
It's like pizza.
This heart of mine is occupied, and I am saving a seat for you. Not if but when you come around. I'm used to
Have you sakaposhi, no? Festival. Yeah? Because I want ricotta in the middle. No, in this way, but in this way.
Perché?
Because touch gently the gnocchi. Little bit water. The Parliament.
to be here,
Okay.
and I
These
don't want to
are
move
ready.
on. Just wanna do it. So now I'm saving
Thank you, my friends.
you in my mind. Oh baby, I know you would be
Speech.
I want this. I want to teach the technique. I want to teach the recipes. But I want this. I want the connecting the people over the people, the empathy. You know. I want the funny moments. I want this. Every time there is in my home the word. You are the word from Canada, from Germany, from yes, the word. Yes, this is perfect for me. This is perfect. Different use, different culture, different mentality. Always different experience because there are different guests, different guys, different people. This is perfect. Thank you. I want thank you. Thank you.
Grazie mille. False alarm. I'm literally turning red. Me crying. I remember a guy. Let's not yawn. Get your together. Biggest European heartbreak and my biggest European romance. Sorry, I don't want to talk to you right now. No, I do. You're stressed. I'm so We're stressed in church. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God. Where are we?
We're back with pasta.
At Vilena. Got some limoncello spritz, and she got some Negroni and spagliato.
No, I got Hugo's.
Oh, you got Hugo's. I got the gnocchi with crema. I don't know. I heard it's really good. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Dude. I wish you could try it. Abudal kami. We got some jewelry. Why did we turn in that corner? Bakit umulan? Kala ko hindi. The translations that I'm gonna put in here. Introduce yourself.
You go first.
Oh, I did first. I'm Vucciria.
I'm Matthew, 23 years old from Italy, Palermo. I'm single. I'm looking for the Nadine Lustre.
We just saw them on the streets and I was like, oh my god, they're definitely Filipino. And they start speaking Spanish to us. I'm like, dude, you could just speak Filipino to us.
And then, sinabi nila, wait, are you guys Filipino? Filipino pa kayo?
I need to start talking to you.
Yeah. Go, go.
This one is the pizza kebab. It's a classic, like coming from.
The yogurt sauce, tomato,
Yeah.
salad,
Yeah, and
without the tomato sauce.
what is this? Beef. It's beef.
Oh.
And that's beef, but in a kebab way. Chicken with a barbecue and then mozzarella and then tomato sauce. So this one is way better. This one is really good, but you have to try the pistachio. So the pistachio is from here in Sicily. Pistachio from Bronte.
Excited.
You just take it. Take it.
May ganyan pa, parang disco.
Oh, wow. Europe, only in Europe.
condom. Ay, namatay.
So I don't know if we updated you, but we're staying in Palermo. We were supposed to leave for Cefalù today. I was telling her that this was like the trip that I've done a lot of changes in the itinerary. This trip taught me how to be like more flexible. Buongiorno. Con pistachio, per favore.
Pistachio.
Why? How many flavors can I do?
2.
Oh. Wait. What's the most popular one?
Bacio di dama mixed with almond hazelnuts and chocolate, salty peanuts, salty caramel, strawberry.
Okay, pistachio and the bacio di dama.
Okay.
Sì. Oh my god.
I don't know how you're gonna finish up.
Oh, I'm gonna always have room for dessert. So before, I'm not naked. Before the room gets messy, I'm gonna give you a little Airbnb tour. Start singing. And then there's a lot of like restaurants downstairs. Same. So far in Naples and here, random fireworks. Morning. Hi. We're gonna go to the beach today because it's actually sunny and warm. I'm gonna take advantage of this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to check the weather for Cefalù.
No rain. It's gonna be 68, 69.
We might have to do.
Mondello.
Yeah. And for Mondello, we can take a bus too.
That's what I was thinking.
So we don't have to park. Let's go make coffee. Wanna come with me? Because there's so many people there.
There's a cute guy there. I
Huh?
don't think he's sentimental.
Cute. He's not cute. My retainers. Morning. It's windy. It's a little cold.
You on?
I am Sarjan.
I'm Arianney.
And Tupa, maybe.
Tupa.
Better.
Where are you guys from?
Istanbul, Turkey.
Oh.
And you?
New Jersey, America.
Are you coming here for touristic?
Like vacation. How about you?
Yeah, actually, Sarjan came to the Catania for Erasmus
Mhm.
internship. And I just visited.
Oh, okay. I have a layover in Istanbul when I go back to America,
Ah,
and I'm gonna do the free tour that comes with it. So I'm gonna be able to explore the city.
when will you?
June 2. June 2.
Nice name.
The weather's probably nice right now, right? Yeah. Hey. You look cute.
Thank you.
Come.
I'm gonna say your name.
Go. Steal it. Hey. What? The weather.
Hey guys, we're just chilling.
So what we did, we went to the post office, exchanged our money, and paid for a parking ticket. It took forever because we thought we had enough money. Danica accidentally gave him Marrakesh money. He wouldn't tell us that we gave the wrong coin. It was just like a whole overwhelming, stressful moment. We were there for like literally an hour, and she's still in there because she's exchanging her money. We couldn't do it at the same time. But the bus comes every like 5 to 7 minutes, but it takes like 45 minutes to get to the beach. This trip is just a mess. I feel like I wasn't prepared for this trip. Usually I am. Yeah, next time I'll be more prepared. I'm gonna cry. Danica, how do you feel? No, grazie. At the freaking beach, and it's really beautiful out. Made some friends. Say hi, guys. Ciao. Now I have my sandwich, please. Thank you. Got a panini with prosciutto, mozzarella. Finally, sun! Woo! Sun. Who are you and where are you from? I'm from Turkey. I'm Barkin. All right, guys, introduce yourselves. Where are you from?
Both from Hanover, basically. I'm from another part of Germany, but yeah, you can say Hanover.
Yours. Oh, wait, I'm pretty sure I started that book and I never finished it. Not envy. Why? What happened? Oh, it's not good. It's like a commercial. Oh, your gusto.
I wanna celebrate, you know, our togetherness, both mind and flesh. Only we know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes. Way down low. You don't need to.
I'm confused because they just brought this to our table, but I don't know why. The way this is unplanned, wearing all black, she's wearing all white. We're on our way to Palermo hostel to hang out with the group that we met earlier. We're gonna drink some wine, eat some watermelon salad. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear son.
We know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes. We know how it goes. Our togetherness, both mind and flesh.
Good morning.
Morning. Help me open this. Technical difficulties.
On our way to the market so we can get souvenirs, street food, and some coffee. It's beautiful out. I never really checked how far Palermo is to Taormina.
3 hours.
How about Cefalu to Taormina?
1 hour.
We're wearing our earrings that we bought.
Tomorrow.
Oh, shit. So we're gonna go to the beach and the sunset. But let's explore the historical center, which is not that big. Dude, I got super drunk. We had like, I don't know, how many glasses of wine did you have?
I don't know. I think it was as much as you because I was like finishing, like when we were leaving I had to chug one.
And then like 3 shots of tequila like by the end of the night.
And it worked. Me and Lizzie didn't feel it. This was, we were like, okay, let's get one more.
Ah.
So I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew.
Dude, I can't wait for this street food. Cremino de café? Per favore?
Piccolo o grande?
Grande. Ano? Cremino. Quanto costa?
2 piccolo, grande 3.
Grazie.
Grazie mille.
We're back. Enjoy. You can taste the mint. Clementina. She's dying. Oh no. Hi. We haven't really like toured around the city at all. So now we're finally seeing Palermo and its beauty. But we definitely have to come back.
We did a lot.
We did
2 beaches.
beaches and just like meeting people, but like traveling, like the travel that I do, I didn't do it. So coming back. We love Palermo and we're scared that we won't like Catania. And I'm scared too because I'm gonna be there longer.
You'll have some.
Right there is where we talked about life, drinking wine. Yes, our square, our piazza.
You will be missed and forgotten.
So we're leaving Palermo right now and we have 3 hours. They really like bump it every single time. They can't drive here. Now we're leaving Palermo. Oh my god, last night guys, last night. Ooh, what happened? Who knows? Marey was out last night. Arianney wasn't here. Oh my god, I have so many mosquito bites. Our group last night was so
Yeah, they were so
chill. Yeah, I don't remember anything. Like, it was a blur, but I didn't black out.
I guess you had brain fog or something.
So she said that I looked fine, like I wasn't sloppy, like I didn't look drunk, whatever.
No, you didn't.
But, explain.
The way you talk was funny. It's, I want food! I'm hungry! I don't want chips! Like, is there a good place that we can eat? Like, right now, I'm hungry. Can we eat something first? I'm hungry.
She has no filter. She just says how she feels, right?
Yeah.
I'm saying she because that's my alter ego, Marey.
Marey. We like Marey.
It's like, you know, Jekyll and Hyde.
We all have alter egos. I haven't seen Cyprie's. We know we have an alter ego for Cyprie.
What?
When she's too talkative, she doesn't know what she's talking about. The math.
I was about to say.
The math. Like, the numbers. I don't.
Every time we get drunk,
Cyprie becomes a mathematician.
numbers is not her thing when she's.
Oh my god,
what's her name?
I call her Psyduck.
And your name is?
Dancica.
Dancica. I met Dancica in Tulum.
That's probably half of it.
Half of it? Oh my gosh.
What do you remember?
No, the music stopped. Like, how do we dance to this? And then it got a little good, and then they changed it
Like,
again.
it was so weird. It was like all American music, which is like
How did I dance?
mostly twerking.
Twerking? Like, really? Like, twerking? Or?
Reggaeton dance.
Okay.
Not like, we were laughing at Santi's twerking.
Oh my god, yes! like freaking Tina from Bob's Burgers. And I was like, girl, you could have told me. I would have like wing womaned you.
We went to the bar. They finally played Bad Bunny, and that's when you were like dancing.
Oh, we were bachating, no?
Yeah, we were bachating. And then I twirled you around too.
Oh, that's what happened?
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember.
I feel like you were still smart because when we said, hey, you want to grab some shots?
I was like, no.
You were like, no. And it was like, no. And I was like, okay, well, we know what's gonna happen next.
I wish I remembered this. Like, that sucks.
You don't regret it?
No.
Do you wanna? Let's see when you wake up. And he goes like, yeah, wake me up and then I'll text him. I was like, okay.
That didn't happen. it didn't marinate well.
Marey didn't communicate with Arianney.
Yeah, Marey didn't relay the message. Yeah, she from California. Housies. Just kidding, those were horses. They. I remember you said. Hello everyone. We are via.
She's drunk. She's drunk as fuck.
Dude, I'm so fucking drunk. We had like 3 shots of like tequila and like I'm really drunk.
Technically 4.
And like 4?
We had 4.
Okay, but what did I have?
3.
Okay, I had 3. And my max is usually 7, but like I had beer during it.
And
but
wine.
like the thing is, and wine. But the thing is, I'm not gonna say it. Good night. These are our friends. I'm really gonna regret this. Bye.